Hello, Sahel community. So as you can see here, this is the same setup that we have last time. Um, just in addition, we put PC3 and PC4. Everything is default. The switch is not configured. And PC0 has an IP address in the class C, 192.168.1.1, and the PC1 is .2. And the PC3 and 4 are in the class A, as you can see here. IP address in the class A with 10.10.1.1 and 10.10.10.3.4. Why not .2? Let's say .2. Okay. The question is, can PC1 ping can PC3 ping PC1 PC3 ping PC4 or not? This is the question. What did I configure here? Let us check, because I had the dot previously .4 in my text, but what did that configure here? .2. Okay, let's check if reachability can be met. Let's check if PC 3 can ping PC1 or not. Yes, it is pingable. Can PC 0 also ping PC1? Let's check. It is reachable, but good question. Can PC0 ping PC3? Meaning that it should say ping the 10.10.1.1. What do you think? Will it be reachable or not? It will not. Say, look at this. Why? This is a question why. What do you think? Because they are not in the same subnet. But on the switch, look at the switch. On the switch, they all belong to the same VLAN. If I make sure VLAN, look right here. Every port, I mean all the ports of the switch are in VLAN 1, meaning they are in the same no VLAN 50 that I have there. So do show VLAN. They are all in the same VLAN, as you can see here. VLAN 1, the default VLAN. But since they are in different subnets, they cannot, PC0 and PC1 can reach each other because they are in the same subnet. PC3 and PC4 can reach each other because they are in the same subnet, but PC0 cannot reach PC3, neither PC4, and vice versa. So, you understand the point? Which idea does what do you think by that? What can be the setup for that? It may be different company, two companies on the same switch, isn't it? Okay, now we have to proceed toward our objective. Our objective is to configure the VLAN 50 here and move port 0 and port 1 to that VLAN 50. It is say here to HR human resource. Let's do that right away. So we go here, we say, oh, come on. VLAN 50, name HR. And interface, I use here the command range. The range is for me to configure many ports at the same time. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 50. So you can see I move them to VLAN 50. Now, to go quickly, I will move to question 3. While the port is still turning, spanning tree is still doing his job here. The LED is still amber. We cannot test now. So we configure VLAN 30, the name admin, and move the port 13 and 14 to VLAN 30, to the admin. VLAN 30, name admin, int range FR0 13 to 14, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. So look at this. We say show VLAN. When we make sure VLAN, look at this. Port 1 and 2 belong to HR, which HR, human resource, is VLAN 50. And port 13 and 14 are the admin interfaces and assigned to VLAN 30. So as I say, just think like you have a huge hall, or and in that hall you create different rooms, room 30 and room 50. If something goes wrong to room 30, it will not affect room 50, and it will not affect room 1. So this is the easiest way to think about that. So question, can PC 0 still ping PC 1 or not? PC 0 and PC 1 are in the same room, as you saw, isn't it? Meaning the ping should be successful, isn't it? No, we are pinging there PC, PC3, PC 4 is there. So ping is successful. But if we try to ping PC3, it will not be successful because they are in different room, different VLAN. So PC3, can it ping PC4? Yes or no? What do you think? Port 13 and 14 are in VLAN 30, meaning ping should be successful. Let's check. Come on. What is this doing? Is it there? There. So you can see there, the ping is successful. So what is the lesson learned here? We can have in the same VLAN users in different subnets. User in the same subnet will be able to reach each other. At the beginning, all users were assigned to the default VLAN, and PC3 and PC4 were able to reach each other. PC0 and PC1 were also able to reach each other. But as soon as we move them to different VLAN, they can't reach each other anymore. This is a notion of VLAN. I hope you understand that. If not, ask the question and I will come back to you through the next video to answer them. Or put a comment, I can answer, and other followers here can also give their opinion. Thank you, and you will keep learning from there. I hope this has been informative for you, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.